days ago, sir, I found gold.
Are you serious? I'm scared. The thing is, they come with the
1858.
So that centre part's called the hub, and these are the spokes. You're doing it making yourself at home? Or?
Oh, of course, you know, all like beds and tables, dinings, and everything.
Everybody makes it.
Right, yeah. The thing is, they come with instructions.
So that's your hub.
Yeah.
These are the spokes. You're looking because you're very observant, you're a scientist. So some of them are flat and some of them are pointy. If you have two, so these have to be long because the longer that is, it helps to resist the forces that way. But if you put that something like that, if you try and put this one next to it, yeah, it's because it fails there. So what we do is we get all flat ones and we put in every second one. And then when we've got all those in, then we come through with these. Yeah, they've got that piece. And that bit's thin, that's thick. We always have the thin piece up. And then once you've got all those on, then you can put the ring on.
So much thinking there.
It's easy. So if you want
Hello.
We can. We just got married, so this is our wedding. Wedding photo. We've been celebrating.
Yes, sir. A disgrace, sir. I'll tell you what a disgrace is. Disgrace is being dressed like that. That's a disgrace. 2 days ago, sir, I found gold. More gold than I ever imagined.
Wet, stinking tea, please. Take nothing like this back home in Cornwall. Now's the time I wish to be dead. Sooner, work for miserable pennies in this awful place. Must find gold soon. Pay for trouble and expense. Some gold. I know it. I know it. There it is. There it bloody is. There it is! Look at it! It's a miracle! A bloody miracle! Boys! Boys, come quick! I found one bigger house! Boys! Come and lend me a hand! I need to get it out! Oh, yes! Yes! Jeffrey! What's happening? Oh, you lost your wits or what? Look, boy, look! Oh, dear life! I never seen such a sight, never! There more than 2,000 ounces in it! About 10,000 pounds, I bet! 10,000 pounds! We're all rich! Enough money for us to become gentlemen in Ballarat! Oh, say, you're it, Jeffrey! Gentlemen, yes! Better than Boys! Boys! Come and lend a hand!
This is the nugget found by Richard Jeffrey on the evening of Wednesday, the 9th of June, 1858. He was one of the mine's 22 Cornish owners.
Here in the colonies and across all territories of Great Britain. But before I demonstrate this device, I must ask of your number a question. And one scoop. That's no fun at all. So I have actually found that the most that I can safely use to get a decent sized explosion for a demonstration like this is 2 scoops. Now, I would never place in more than 2 scoops because, as I said, I'm a very cautious man, and any more than 2 scoops places my safety at risk, it places your safety at risk. I could even damage the device or the buildings around us, so I won't be placing in any more than 2 scoops. For you to worry about. Very good. And then we place upon the safety cap, thusly. There we are. Now that I've placed in the alloy, I must place in the black sand and blasting powder. Now, I'm a very cautious scientific man, so I know the exact safe amount to put in. The safest amount would be 1 scoop. But that's no fun at all. I'd like to be a little bit of a larger blast, so I've actually surmised that the largest amount I can safely use is 2 scoops. So I'll place in the second scoop now. Any more than 2 scoops, which is where I add my black sanded blasting powder. Now, the miner, could you step forward again, please? Could you confirm for everyone here that this is the same kind of black sanded blasting powder you've used in your own mine, yes? Definitely. So this black sanded blasting powder, it is also known as gunpowder, but when it is used in firearms, it is ground to a explosive, very powerful. 2, 1, Deanna, wait! I'm so sorry. There's one more thing that I forgot.
Oh.
I'm so sorry. You're doing very well. I'm so proud of you. Great. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I introduced myself to you today, I said my name was Professor Samuel Smith, scientist, inventor, businessman. I'm here to show you this device. I'm here to demonstrate this device. This is all true. But there's more. I am here to save lives. Are you ready for the device to explode?
Yeah.
Throwing the switch in 3, 2, 1. Deanna, start counting.
1 banana, 2 bananas.
Now remember, on the 20th banana precisely.
Oh my god.